Hey, Gabrielle, what are you doing?
Oh, hey Davis. I didn't see you there. I'm just planting some native plants, to help the environment and all.
Wow, that's so cool. Good for you.
Thanks. Yeah, ever since I started planting more native plants in my yard, I've noticed such a difference in the amount of water and fertilizer I'm using. Not only is it better for the environment, but boy, is my bank account happier.
Yeah, that's so true. I hear you on the saving money part. But did you know that there are benefits to having native plants beyond those?
Oh, really? Like what?
I'm so glad you asked. Let me show you. Did you know that caterpillars support the foundation of a healthy ecosystem? By diversifying and integrating our landscapes with caterpillar host plants, we can begin to create healthy urban ecosystems that will build a more ecologically sustainable community for tomorrow.
Wow, that's so interesting. I had no idea caterpillars were so important.
Yeah, think about it. Plants have evolved to protect themselves, but caterpillars have still found ways to eat them. Not to mention that caterpillars are the #1 food source for birds, especially the youngins.
Well, I guess I need to start paying more attention to making sure I have enough larval host plants in my yard instead of just worrying about the way that it looks.
Yes, but the wonderful thing is, you can still have a beautiful, manicured yard while also helping the caterpillars thrive.
That's awesome. I can't wait to get started. Davis, will you help me plant some larval host plants in my backyard?
Sure, let's do it.